Hi everyone, John here from Top Capable. Today I will want to show you how to reset an iPhone to factory settings, no matter you have the passcode or forget the passcode. If your iPhone says unavailable, security lockout or disabled, you may try a dedicated iPhone unlocker program from AppGeeker to unlock it quickly. Factory resetting the iPhone will help you wipe all your data completely from the device and return it to the state just like it was when you purchased it for the first time. Part 1. How to reset and restore iPhone if you have the passcode. Part 2. How to reset iPhone if you can't remember the passcode. Part 1. How to reset and restore iPhone if you have the passcode. In this part, I will show you reset iPhone the most common way. Before you reset it, there are a few things you need to prepare. 1. You'll need your iPhone's passcode to unlock it. 2. You will also need your Apple ID and password that you used to set the device up. If you don't know your Apple ID, you won't be remove the activation lock and use the phone again. So if you forget your Apple ID or password, you can reset it through iCloud.com. From there you can walk through the steps required to reset your Apple ID or password. 3. Before you erase and reset the iPhone, you will also want to back up your data to computer or iCloud so that you can then restore it and move back to your iPhone. You can use iTunes on your Windows computer, or use Finder on your Mac to back up your data. Once your phone is connected with the machine, you can find the Backup Now option on the iTunes or Finder. If you want to back up your data with iCloud, things get easier as you just need to turn on iCloud Backup toggle on your iPhone or manually back it up. You can do by opening Settings app, tap on your name, then select iCloud here, then tap iCloud Backup. Here you will see my iPhone has the iCloud Backup toggled on. And here you have a message telling you when the last successfully backup was created. If not, you simply slide the toggle to the right to let it automatically back up your data when the phone is connected to power, locked and on Wi-Fi. You can also tap Back Up Now here to back your app and data right now manually. If you have everything ready, we can move on to factory reset the iPhone and wipe everything clean. Unlock your iPhone, head to Settings app, tap General. Then go down to the bottom of the screen, you will Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on this Transfer or Reset iPhone option and you will get a Prepare to New iPhone message. This is used for backing your current data to iCloud so that you can then transfer it to your new iPhone even if you don't have enough iCloud storage. We just want to reset the iPhone, so ignore it and tap the Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on Continue when it alerts that this will erase the phone. You then need to enter your passcode. Then it will ask for your Apple ID password of the device itself to sign out of your Apple ID and turn off Find My Activation Lock. Let's go ahead and enter the Apple ID password. You will see a pop-up notification on the bottom, like this. It's asking you if you want to erase all media, data, and reset all settings. Once you do this, this cannot be undone. Tap Erase iPhone. The device will begin perform a factory reset now. It will take a moment. If you have a huge amount of data on the device, the time may take a little bit longer. You will see a white Apple logo on the screen, and a progress bar showing you how the process is going. Once the iPhone reboots and displays a setup screen, it means the device has been reset successfully. You now need to take a little bit of time to set your iPhone up just like it was new. Part 2. How to reset iPhone if you can't remember the passcode. If you can't unlock your iPhone to factory reset the device the normal way, you have other options to erase it. Maybe you forget the passcode. Maybe the phone is unavailable after entered too many wrong passcode. Whatever the reason, you still can reset the iPhone without passcode. To do this, on your device's lock screen, try entering your passcode a few times until iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen appear. Keep trying to enter your passcode until you find a Erase iPhone option appear in the bottom right corner of the screen, like this. If you can't find Erase iPhone option in the screen, your phone may not be connecting to Wi-Fi or cellular. If this is the case, try iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker. Once you see the Erase iPhone, tap it. You will get a safety check that if you go with this operation it will permanently delete all of your data and settings, and reset the phone to its factory settings. Tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Next, enter your Apple ID passcode. Now, you will see it begin resetting the iPhone to factory default. Wait a few minutes. When your iPhone restarts, you can follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device again. If you have data stored on computer or iCloud, you can restore from a backup. That's how you reset your iPhone with or without a passcode. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.